What is up, everyone, the Extranet? Tyler here with Random Automotive, and today we're going to show you how to quickly change your cabin air filter on your 19 through 25 RAV4. It's pretty simple. Essentially, we'll just open the glove box, make sure it's clear of debris. We're going to come over here, and you see this arm that's hanging down. We're going to kind of pick up on that and disconnect there. Then if you look on the left side, you can see a little plastic piece here. We're going to lift up, push the entire box in, and then it should come free. Again, same thing on this side. Push both sides in, and the whole thing will come off. All right, so looking up in here, you'll see this little slot right here. Kind of looks like an old school CD changer. Just grab at the top, pull that off. The door just comes right off, and then your filter just slides out of there. And you can see this one's pretty dirty. It explains why there's dust coming out of my vents. Okay, so the filter I got said FVP F0320. That's a lot of numbers. And you can see the color difference in the two. So this housing that it's in, that will stay. So you kind of got to just grab the filter, pull it out of the tabs, go up with it. This is the original of the car, and it'll come out of the bottom ones, and you can just trash this. So it's important to look for up designations. Some of them have it, some of them don't, but if not, font just facing up. And it just slides into the other cartridge. It goes under those two tabs, like so. And then you'll kind of push these down underneath without damaging it too bad. There you go. Mindful of what says up there. And then we'll come back up top. And as you can see, it just slides back in. Push it in all the way. There you go. So for your door, the little two tabs on the left slide in like so. And you just push it in, and it locks in there. You're good to go. Glove box replacement process is the same as the opposite. You'll take the arms with the indentations, line them up with the pegs on the bottom there, push up, you'll hear it snap into place. You can see it's now free. Take our little arm on the left side, push up, and get it to where, which it doesn't want to cooperate, there we go. Get it to where it's lined up there, latch in, everything looks good. Done and done. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down in the description. Until next time, we'll catch you in the next one.